The third law is Gay-Lussac's law or Amptyn's law. ठीक है? It gives a relation between pressure and temperature at constant volume. So it gives a relation between pressure and temperature at constant volume. So at constant volume, how does pressure and temperature vary for a given amount of gas? So this law states that when the volume of the gas is constant, when the volume of the gas is constant, the pressure of a given mass of gas, the pressure of given mass of gas increases or decreases by 1 by 273 of its pressure at 0 degrees Celsius for every 1 centigrade rise or fall in temperature. जिस तरह से वॉल्यूम का इंक्रीमेंट और डिक्रीमेंट हो रहा था 1 डिग्री राइज या फॉल इन टेम्परेचर, वॉल्यूम भी 1/1/273 ऑफ इट्स इनिशियल वॉल्यूम एट 0 डिग्री पे बढ़ रहा था या कम हो रहा था when the pressure was constant. Similarly, if the volume is constant, the pressure of the given amount of gas will increase or decrease by 1 by 273 of its initial pressure at 0 degree for every 1 degree rise or fall in temperature. That is, mathematically, Pt, that is pressure at T degree Celsius, is equal to P naught into 1 plus 2 by 1 plus T by 273, or it is P naught into 273 plus T divided by 273, which is P naught into capital T divided by 273. So Pt and P0 are the pressure of the gas, pressure at T degree Celsius, and P naught pressure at 0 degree Celsius. So we can tell that when the volume of the gas is constant, pressure is directly proportional to temperature if the temperature is in Kelvin, or this can be expressed as pressure is equal to a new constant K3 into T, which means P by T is equal to K3, a constant. That means P1 by T1 is equal to P2 by T2 at constant volume for a given amount of gas. This is what we get at constant volume. The pressure is directly proportional to the temperature in Kelvin. Okay? So volume is constant. The pressure of a given amount of gas is directly proportional to temperature in degree Kelvin. So P1 upon T1 is equal to P2 upon T2, and at which condition? At constant volume. So when a graph is plotted between pressure and temperature, we get at constant volume V1 a graph like this, V2, V3, V4, where V4 is greater than V3, which is lesser than V2, which is lesser than V1. So it's at constant volume a pressure temperature graph. This is called isocode. तो एक ग्राफ जब प्रेशर और वॉल्यूम पे प्लॉट किया जाता है, कीपिंग द टेम्परेचर वॉल्यूम कांस्टेंट इज कॉल्ड एज आइसोकोड. सो दिस लॉ स्टेट्स दैट, Gay-Lussac's law states that pressure is directly proportional to temperature of the gas at constant volume for a fixed amount of gas. For a fixed amount of gas, pressure is directly proportional to temperature. So this is Gay-Lussac's law.